Yeah. Hello guys. Good morning. So guys, this is my 23rd day of English speaking challenge. So guys, one thing I always used to think, I used to think all the time that whenever whenever I used to be in the camera, whenever I used to be on camera, then why I get sort of word, then why I get sort of word, sort of sentences, sort of topics. Why it happens to me? Why it happens to me? That is the reason. I want to know the reason. I want to know the reason. I have to ask you why, how, why it happens to me, why it happens to me. So I think, I think the reason is me only. The reason is me only. Means I don't, I don't used to be calm. I don't used to be calm while speaking. I don't used to be calm and cool, I think, while speaking. So first of all, before speaking, I used to be calm. I need to be calm, and thereafter I need to start talking, and thereafter I need to start talking. Yes. So there is a small, there was a small, there is a small lizard going, going from, going from my front, going from my front, going from my front. Yes, from my front. You know, you don't have to translate. Okay, how to think in English, how to think in English. Okay, I will tell you. Wait, I will tell you. Okay, how to think in English. I have to tell you that how you will think in English. So each and everyone is being told, each and everyone is being told that if you want to learn to speak English, then try to think in English. Then what are the process, then what are the procedures, then what are the procedures that you could follow to, that you could follow to think in English. So let me tell you the processes, let me tell you the process. Okay, that you have to do. The firstly is, so the first, no, firstly you have to think in English. Means you don't have to make any translation. Means suppose that I'm giving you a sentence. Okay, after shooting this video, I have to go to the toilet and brush my teeth. Means इस वीडियो को ख़त्म करने के बाद मुझे वॉशरूम जाना है और फिर ब्रश भी करना है. So never try to translate it. Never try to translate it from Hindi to English. Okay. So you have to directly think in English. You directly have to think in English. Means after shooting this video, I have to go to the toilet, and after getting back from the top, and after getting back to the washroom, I have to brush my teeth as well. I have to brush my teeth as well. Okay. So you have to think like this. You have to think similarly. Okay, in the similar ways, in the similar ways. Guys, speaking in English is the easiest, is the easiest task. It's not an uphill task. Speaking in English is the easiest task. Anyone can learn to speak English, and anyone can develop this, anyone can develop this speaking skill, anyone can develop this speaking skill. Okay, this is, this is up to everyone, this is up to everyone, this is up to me, this is up to you too. Okay, but you need to push yourself, but you need to push yourself every day. Means you never have to, you never have to take any rest, you never have to take any rest. Every day you have to, you go to hard work, every day you go to hard work. Okay, and try to listen more to the videos, try to listen more to the videos. The more you listen, the more you will learn, the more you will learn. And after learning all the points, all the words, all the sentences, try to speak, try to speak, try to use into your day to day life, into your day to day, try to use that in your day to day life. Okay, in your day to day life. Okay, means listening, learning, and then speaking. Okay, listening, learning, and then speaking. And one more thing you have to do is to write, okay. Take a notebook, okay. Take a notebook of A4 size, or it can be small also, and start writing down, means write whatever you want, okay. You don't have to write any specific things, you can write anything, whatever comes on your mind, just write it down, okay. And you will see that, by writing every day, your writing skill will be improved. Your And if you start reading the book, and if you started and if you could start and if you could and if you could start reading a book every day, then your reading skill will be improved. And if you listen to the videos, then your listening skill will be improved. So all of these things will be happen, by doing every day, okay. And if you could speak, if you could talk to yourself, if you could speak to yourself, either 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 on camera, or in the mirror, so your speaking skill will be improved too. Yes. So I'm trying to tell you this, okay. So try to follow my advices. You have to improve all of these skills, but firstly you have to improve your speaking skill. And speaking skill, how it would be improved? It would be improved by speaking, by practicing. Yes, because speaking skill, no, speaking is most english speaking is speaking speaking is the most easiest task that everyone can do. Yeah, it is up to you, but overall it works. it works overall it works by the person, that consumes consumes how it consumes, means the person should be smart. He must be understanding all the words and sentences, okay. Means you have to sharp your mind every day, means. And since the beginning, no, in my so guys, in my initial since the beginning, if I would rather say, about me that if I would rather say about me that since the beginning, I've been I've been I've been very passionate. I've been very passionate of speaking skill, speaking in English. Yet when I'm, अरे क्या बोल रहे हैं यार? Since the beginning, in my initial phase of time, in my initial phase of time, I've been I've been very huge fan of speaking English. Yes, speaking English. So I don't face any problem when I speak in English. Yes, because I have developed this skill. Little bit, and only some of the distance I have to cover. I have to cover more of it. Okay. And words are really coming to me. I have to learn this language. I have to develop this language. But I have to learn this by practicing and by speaking on a regular basis. By speaking daily, okay. So my friend also speaks English. But I don't like his style. I don't like his style of speaking. Yes, I want to become like I want to speak like Alina Rais means I have to I have to include each and everything while speaking. I have to include each and everything while speaking. Means there should be a smile. There should be a smile. Means there should be a smile before speaking. There should be a smile before speaking. And you have to become a listener too. And you have to become a listener too. Don't listen to the person for replying. Listen to the person for listening. Listen to the person for listening. Understand him. Understand him. Understand their point of view. Understand their point of view. Okay. You have to and don't take advices while listening. Okay. You just have to be calm and cool. Okay. And try to listen to the person for listening. And this is all about English language. So I'll see you more such videos at the I'll be back more such videos on tomorrow onwards. Until you take care, bye.